Hey, welcome back to another video of BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. We got another freshwater engine here. This one is a 2003 Yamaha 150. It is a 25-inch. This is the OX66 model. We cannot pull hours off of this engine. There's no way to do it. Looks like this one came back at 120 PSI to 125 PSI on all 6 cylinders. In the listing, I'll show what cylinders are 120, what cylinders are 125. Within 10%, I'm happy with it. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the prop that is on it. Once again, those will be on the picture. I'm not sure if this one has a stainless or aluminum. It'll come with a good used control box, new spark plugs, new impeller. Fuel system's been cleaned, new lower unit lube. We'll go ahead and fire this one up. Thing fires right up and runs great, pumping good water. I cannot rev this one all the way up. It is a 25-inch. Like I said previously, I feel like a broken record. I don't want to puncture a hole in the bottom of the tank. Go ahead and put it in gear. Dump a couple gallons out. Back to neutral. Reverse. Shut it off. Fire back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.